Well, hello, it's Bears back. I thought I'd try picking this lock for Stock Lock Sunday. It's a Yale. Sorry about the shine. This one was sent to me by Gordon W. It's a 6-pinner. I thought we'd give it a shot. Trying to get back into the swing of things. I haven't been picking for a little while, and see what we can do here. I'll try to stay as active as I can, watch as many of you guys' videos as I can do, but I got a lot to do, so let's give this a shot. We're going to try this pick I made just the other day while I was messing around with everything else, and we're going to see what we can do with this thing. I guess I could show you the bidding a little better. Okay, we're coming forward. Got some good clicks. A 5-4. It sounds like I dropped a couple there. Wow. It's pretty clickety. I'm gonna have to concentrate on what I got here. Okay. Interesting. All right. Wow. It's got a pretty twisted little keyway here. Trying to get around. Work off this ledge. Just isn't. Kind of slipping off the pins. Come on. Where are you? Wow. Clickety click. Ooh. Hope this ain't too long a battle. Sound like I dropped some more pins. Doggone it. Wow, talk about being out of practice. There, I got around that corner that time. Felt something go. Oh yeah, there we got it. Finally. Whew. That was a battle. Holy cow. Amazing. Okay. Looks like we got a spread C clip here. Whew. Rough one. There we go. Got that off. Maybe a better shot of it. There's the bitine on the key, and you can see that. I'm gonna do the European style lock in here. There's that groove. All right, nice. I actually did it that time without messing it up, guys. Makes me happy. Stock lock, so we should have just nothing but stock stuff. With all those clicks upstairs, let me get that one over there. This one did, so it felt like it might have something upstairs. Of course, there's probably nothing done. No, nothing done. But they have a kind of a counter or milling little deal there. Ooh, this thing's slippery as snot, guys. So, let's see what we got. Standard. I'm gonna leave the springs. Oh, spool. Nice. That's what I was feeling. Spool. 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 And get around there. Spool. Yeah. Okay, I got one stuck right there, number one. Yeah. All right. And of course, nothing done upstairs. And so we have, some of these are upside down right now, but they don't look beveled at the top at all. So they all look flat topped, rounded bottoms, and you got one standard and 5 spools, and your springs are all the same. So that's the Yale. It was sent to me by Gordon W. I will put a link to his channel in the description. Get over there. He's an awesome picker. You'll enjoy it. And thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.